A convergent boundary is when two plates come together or converge. When two continental plates collide, neither plate will subduct. Instead, they'll form a mountain. A divergent boundary is when two plates move apart. A deep valley, called a rift valley, forms along the divergent boundary.
Now we will talk about mid-ocean ridges, recycling the ocean, trenches, and convection currents. A mid-ocean ridge is formed when two plates are moving away from each other. When this happens, a hole forms. And when a hole forms, magma from the mantle rises up into this hole due to convection currents. What's a convection current? Well, the mantle is next to the core. When the core heats up, the magma inside the mantle becomes less dense, and so it moves upward. However, once it reaches the top, it becomes cooler again and becomes more dense and moves downward. When the core heats it up again, and the cycle repeats and repeats. However, when a new hole like this is formed due to a mid-ocean ridge, it goes up into the hole. Now, in this scenario, trenches are quite the opposite, plate-wise anyway, because in a trench, as you will see in a moment, the two plates are moving towards. The two plates are moving towards each other. When this happens, one plate slides under the other, forming, again, a small hole. No, wrong color. Now, to explain all this and what it has to do with age, we'll need to have both examples up. So let me just... There we go. Now, the oldest rocks are near the edges of a trench, because these do not get recycled. However, the rocks in the trench are getting recycled and pretty much disappearing. And since new magma is sprouting up here in a mid-ocean ridge, this is where the newest rock is at. That's pretty much everything.